Hey guys, thanks for stopping back by the Spooky Kitchen. So my refrigerator died on me. Me and Thor made some chocolate chip cookies, and I went to pour myself a glass of milk. And when I when I went to pour it out, the milk came out like fucking Elmer's glue. It was like bloop bloop, and my refrigerator just was not keeping things cold anymore. And it was old. It was like from the late 80s. So I wasn't going to pay to get the Freon charged back up in it. It was on its last days. It just wasn't going to run. So I bought a new fridge, and I was just showing it off with all the spooky stuff I have on my fridge. So these are some of my magnets on this side.
Never mind, I'm sure you are. Big news for you. Oops. Hold on a minute.
And here is the front. I'm a monster kid. Got these cool little wooden cutout skulls. I turned them into magnets. We have our Toxic Tunes, Eric Pigor's stuff represented. We have Paul Naschy represented, the werewolf versus the vampire woman. We've got Tombs of the Blind Dead. We got my three favorite monsters, Gojira, Giger's alien, and the creature from the Black Lagoon. Got the Top Stone masks represented. Another Eric Pigor's Toxic Tunes, one of those little hot vampire girls he draws. That's the board where I write my grocery list. So that's the new spooky fridge, guys, for the Spooky Kitchen. Cost me $1,000 from fucking Home Depot, but I needed it. When they delivered it, the doors, the handles were on the wrong side. It was awkward as fuck. So it only took about 20 minutes. I flipped the handles from that side to this side. So that was pretty cool, pretty good. Anyway, that is a look at the new spooky fridge in the Spooky Kitchen. Oh, you know what? My coworker gave me a new ghost. She brought this for me today at work. Let's turn him on. He lights up, and we're gonna add him to the little ghost army. Let's see, where the hell am I gonna put this one? Put him up here. All right, guys, that's a look at the new spooky fridge from the Spooky Kitchen.